What's up, my pungos? Andy with Tech Influence here with another awesome case review here from the folks at Nomad. This time we're going to be going over the modern leather case, not necessarily Horween, if you wanted to save yourself a couple bucks to see what you're getting yourself into. This is the tan case here that fits the iPhone 15 Pro, and I think this is a great way here to be able to accentuate your lifestyle as well as have something that'll protect it from mishaps and provide an overall comfortable ergonomic grip. What's great about the Nomad leather here is this is a full grain, sustainably sourced leather case here that's been tanned and that will patina over time. I opted into the English tan leather. This is all glued into a MagSafe TPU case that provides 8-foot drop protection. The folks at Nomad did provide this to me complimentary. This is a sponsored video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Those are affiliate links that do help out the channel. With that said, let's go and show you what you're getting yourself into here. Unboxing is really straightforward here. What I like about Nomad is they're carbon neutral, which means all of the packaging materials can be recycled and they're from recycled materials. Pulling it out of the case here, it's just fantastic. Feels a little bit lighter to the touch here, and I really like the English tan. Coming around the edges here, you can see that the leather is glued in to the edge here. It doesn't wrap all the way around because it's great to have a nice ergonomic grip to provide you that 8-foot drop protection. Coming up close, you can see the English tan is nice and tanned here to perfection. You can see the grain as you come up close. It is really clean to the touch and it will patina over time, which is awesome. I love how the leather goes all the way around the camera bump. Some of these other competitors do not necessarily have that. In this case here, it's going to provide you a nice clean look here as it sits on your desk or it's in your hand. I like the buttons here. They included the action button, which I think is a great touch. Also the volume rocker and power button. A little notch here to be able to put a wrist strap. You have the cutouts and the I/O there for the USB Type-C. On the inside, it's this really nice cushioned microfiber material here to be able to provide you insulation in the event of a mishap. I really like on the inside how the TPU is going to push up against the phone and provide you that extra cushioning and protection. You got MagSafe compatibility, and it's just an all-around nice looking clean case. Placing it in the phone for the first time, as you can see, it's super easy and straightforward. It's nice and just clean to the touch and matches any wardrobe, and it's just really great feel. It's just a nice complement to the white titanium or whatever titanium you decided on. Coming up close here, as you can see, that looks so cool. I love it. Nice and clean. The wife is gonna love this. Tactile buttons. You can go ahead and press power. And what's great about the case here is it provides you that extra protection up to about 1/8 of an inch, but it's not gonna impede on your real estate here. You still have the ability to see the entire screen, and you can even have a screen protector, which I went over in a different video. Let's go ahead and show you some MagSafe compatible devices. If you wanted to have like this desk stand here, which is from Murpiso, it's really nice to have. You can put your AirPods and your watch. You can just go ahead and throw it on there if you wanted. There it is. It charges. It even acts as a desk buddy if that's something you're interested in. If you want to watch something while you have it on your desk, it's just really nice to have. I like that. If you're more content creation minded here, you can go ahead and opt into the SnapGrip, which is a really cool little tripod that you could have. It just snaps on here. It holds really tight, which is really nice, and you're not going to have a hard time at all being able to operate it. I really like how it's got a 5,000 milliamp battery. As you can see, it's going to start charging here, and you even have this really cool shutter button to be able to create content. If you wanted, you can go and do like a selfie thing with this light and even have it on a tripod, which is great. Ultimately, having something like this from the folks at Nomad, I think is really clean to the touch. If you want to have something that is a little bit more feminine or a little bit, less rustic, this is definitely something that's going to match your modern lifestyle. My wife carries this wherever she goes. This is a great option to be able to have here, to be able to impress, to be able to show off, and be able to have something that will help in the event of a mishap. With that said, the folks at Nomad did provide this to me complimentary. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. This is a sponsored video that does help out the channel. This is Andy with Tech Influence, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.